Hi, I'm Shannen Jr. with Dining with the Tunes and Craft Burger, and these are my children, Shannen Jr. and Sophia. And during this pandemic and this time that we have at home, there's gonna be plenty of opportunity for us to gather together and cook as a family. And today we're gonna make some sweet onion chocolate cupcakes. I know that sounds a little weird putting onions in cupcakes, but these onions are so versatile and so sweet, you hardly will even notice, and they'll be kid approved, guaranteed. So Sophia's gonna help me first. We're gonna add into our mixer some eggs. Go ahead. We're gonna add some sugar. There's 2 cups of sugar. There's 2 eggs. You can add the other cup, Sophia. Go ahead. And then we're gonna add 1 cup of vegetable oil. Let's get all that in there. All right. And then we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. So we're gonna get this blended. We're gonna make sure it's all well combined and looks really creamy. And while that is blending, we have 2 cups of all-purpose flour and some baking soda. And we're just gonna mix that together. Now that we combined the eggs, oil, sugar, and vanilla, we're gonna start alternating and adding some of the flour and baking soda. So we're gonna get some of that in. We're gonna probably do like a third at a time. Also, we have 6 ounces of chocolate, some semi-sweet chocolate. We're gonna add that in now too as well. So you wanna melt it. It's gonna seize up a little bit, but that's okay. It'll all be combined in the bowl. So you're gonna add also to a little bit of your buttermilk. This is 1 cup of buttermilk, and we're gonna add about 2 ounces at a time. And then once the flour is worked in a little bit, you can kick it up a little bit to help incorporate that chocolate. Add in some more of the flour and baking soda. There you go. And then the last of the buttermilk. And now we're gonna add some, we diced 1 small Baudea onion and caramelized it. And now we're gonna add that to the mix. Just wanna see it come together. We can add a little speed to it. Give it a nice mix for about a minute or so. Let it get really well combined. And that looks pretty good to me. Gonna take off our paddle attachment here. And what I like about adding the onions to this, not only do you get a little bit more nutrients into your cupcake, but it also helps moisten your cupcake. These cupcakes are extremely hard to overcook and end up dry. So now that it's all mixed, Shannen, can you spray some non-stick spray into those cupcake shells? No pressure, just the entire world's watching you. So you don't want to fill it up too much because these are going to rise, and you want to keep them inside of the cups. So halfway is a good stopping point. If you go a little bit above, that'll be fine. A little dome won't hurt us. You can also take a little scooper, and this makes it a little bit easier. I know what you're thinking. Why didn't you show me this earlier, Dad? There you go. And then also when you're using the scooper, you know they're all going to be even, have the exact same amount. So they can go a little bit more in each one of them. And this recipe makes about 20 3-ounce cupcakes. So now we're gonna put them in the oven. We preheated the oven to 350 degrees. We're gonna put it right here on the top shelf, centered in there. And we're gonna cook these for about 18 minutes. So we have some cupcakes that are already pre-done. And now we're gonna ice them. I made some cream cheese frosting. It has 4 ounces of cream cheese, 4 ounces of butter, a 1/4 cup of confectioner sugar, and about a teaspoon of vanilla. All right, we're gonna be super simple with the frosting. We're gonna just take some, put it on top here. Here you go, Sophia. Here you go, Shannen. And 1 for me. Did you already bite it, Sophia? All right, take a bite, everyone. What do you think? The buttermilk really comes through. The onion is barely noticeable. Your kids will love these.